praktis. Oke, jadi hari ini kita udah mulai praktek di lapangan. Ini untuk lemparan boyan, boy. Ini untuk lempar pelampung ke korban. Jadi ini teknik penyelamatan. Karena kita pelajaran dari rescue, jadi ini teknik penyelamatannya. Ya, ini tim kita. Om Ruli. Ini Om Hendri.
It's better than nothing. It's already something. So
ya, ini kita masih proses belajar karena untuk melempar pelampung ini perlu teknik, nggak asal lempar. Misalnya ada target di sana, itu perlu teknik. Oke, jadi gimana? Hari ini kita mulai pelatihan. Jadi ini kita mulai untuk rescue diver. Ini udah mulai di pos kita. Sorry bos. Ini tank. Oke, kita mulai.
practice that underwater. Then we are going to surface, and I want you to practice again the 3 methods to tow a diver. Tyrant diver. The diver is sampai and he cannot swim, so we have to help him to tarik. Okay? So first, positive buoyancy for you and for the other one. So the other one is not panicked, he's just tired. So you communicate with him and you say, you stay always eye contact. And you approach always is responding to your order, then you can come and either tow him like that, okay, push, or taking the fins, or but in this exercise it's tired diver. He's only tired, so he's responsive. He's not water inside. So we are going to practice with the snorkeling, keeping a little bit of water, and try to breathe through. Very easy. Okay, so we are going to do. We go in the water. We go down. We do the first out of air, which is taking the alternator source. Up. We go down again. We exchange. So sand in one breath, and then we practice exchange regulator and marker, and then we practice the tired diver, and then we're there. Please inflate your BCD. Please keep your mask on. If you see that the guy is not responding, take cautious. It's another approach. Okay. I think after that we have a break. So when you are guiding people, this is the perfect moment to look for something wrong there. Okay? In our case, everybody is okay because everybody is diving. But keep in mind that there are people who dive and they don't like it. Half on the body. Put your equipment before you check the life safety check. It's when you are already going. Later. No telephone now. If it's important, I will call you. There. The other one is there. Checking that the air is on. Yeah. My air is on. Okay. Okay. Checking that we have a weight belt. Yes. It's a right hand release.
Oh, thank you, boss.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And the clip where the lock is, there is clip here. So when you do pre-dive safety check, there is few important things to check. First, you need air, so you must check that this one is okay. And he must check yours. Secondly, you must check that the air is open.
It's wrong or
it's good. It's good. Just try. First, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay, but it's a good thing to ask it. Okay, so up. Okay, and for yourself it's important to know where is this one and how it works. Okay? Okay, so ready? Yeah. One by one, huh? Okay. And when you reach the water you have to signal if you are okay or not, because maybe you already need the rescue. We have the boy already to rescue you. One by one, huh? Okay. Okay. okay? Okay? Are you okay? Yes? Okay. Play! So remember, it's always good to take the time to relax, and especially when you guide people, you say, okay, please take your time.